Otto Boge founded his enterprise in 1907 in Bielefeld, Germany. Today, in the fourth generation, it has grown into an internationally operating family enterprise whose products are highly regarded in more than 80 countries around the world. The export ratio stands at 60%, and the trend is rising. Boge has successfully established powerful structures in order to be able to apply its own product and service quality requirements to international standards too. This includes Boge's own daughter companies in important markets alongside a worldwide network of sales and service partners. An international marketing approach designs a broad product portfolio for ambitious customers. A 3,000 square meter logistics center ships the German manufactured products throughout the world. It can hardly be a mere coincidence that more than 100,000 users worldwide rely on Boge Air. But it simply proves that Boge's inventiveness and engineering knows no boundaries.